Sometimes we just need to start off with a cute picture of Baby Yoda, right? Cute picture of Baby Yoda, yay! All right, okay, guys, what you're doing today. So, we're talking about one of the big influences of World War One on Utah, and um, it was actually the Spanish flu, which was a flu pandemic. I'm sure you're familiar with that term now. So what had happened was that this flu really spread because of soldiers returning home from World War One, and that's how it really becomes a worldwide flu. So when you're going to go into modules and click on this and go to Utah gets a bad case of the flu, um, click on the link in the story about a family in Utah. Once you open the link, it will read it to you. Okay. Plus, if you're interested in this topic, guys, this is like another Kirkman nerdy moment. This is like when history and science come together. It's so cool. This is about how they researched the Spanish flu. The CDC did, the Center for Disease Control, to kind of understand current flus. So it's a really interesting account. So again, you can click on this, and then once this gets opened, you want to. So it says read the story about a family in Utah. So you click on this, okay, and um, you click there, and it will read it out loud to you. Okay, then as you read this, okay, you'll be filling in these questions, and there's what, like 13. This last one's true or false. So you'll be going through and answering questions about that. Okay, really, um, really this is one of the biggest things that affects Utah from World War One, and there's like several news articles and stuff about it too. So lots of interesting information, and people are even comparing it to today. So, um, all right, let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget that you can use Google Hangouts. I think I showed you that yesterday, um, to ask me questions if you have things that are not working for you. All right, and I hope that you guys have a great day. All right, we'll see you out there.